Hi guys, in this video I show you how to add a pinned scroll to top button in Wix Studio. Let's go. Open your website in Wix Studio and scroll down all the way until you find the bottom of your page. Once you're here, just click on the plus to add elements, click on buttons, and here you can find different buttons. I'm gonna choose this home button here, dragging it into the bottom of my page, resizing and making the position perfect for me. Select your button, click on settings, choose what to display, the icon only of course. Choose to link to top to bottom page and select top. Click on done, and then we can also change the name. Let's name it back to top button, and then let's change the icon type to static first and replace the icon. Here you can choose a different icon. Let's type in arrow up and choose a nice one you like the most. For example, this simple one. Add to page. Close the settings and open the inspector. In the inspector we can change the background. Let's go to static and white. Close it. Scroll down until you see icon, expand it. And here you can change the color of the icon. Let's choose black and also change the size of your icon. Now we need to change the position type. Let's choose pinned or sticky, in this case pinned, and pin to page. Now you can already see that it's pinned to the page if we are scrolling. And in the end, let's add an hover over animation. Let's expand it a little bit. Let's click on preview and see the result. It's working perfect, and thank you very much for watching.